Hello dear friends, in today's video we are going to learn about measurement, volume and capacity. There are some vessels full of water. Observe them and tell which ones can hold more water and which ones less. Let us see. Well, the bucket will hold more water and the bowl hold less. Do you agree with me? Yes, you do. This bucket became full when 40 glasses of water poured into it. This bucket became full with 10 pitchers of water. The same amount of water measures different because different means are used to measure it. No matter who fills the water in the bucket, it should measure the same. For that, we must use the standard measure. This is a measure of 1 liter. The milkman keeps this. It is used to measure out liquid such as milk and oil. We can easily get a 1 liter water bottle. The picture alongside shows a measure used specially for kerosene. The liter is a standard unit for measuring liquids. Take various vessels such as a pot, a box, and a pan, etc. and make an estimate of how much water they can hold. A liter, less than 1 liter, and more than a liter. Verify your guess by actually using 1 liter bottle. These are some vessels. The pot can hold more than 1 liter. Box can hold less than a liter. This pan can hold 1 liter of water. Now we pour the water from this water bottle and check how many liters of water these vessels can hold. The pot hold 5 liters of water. The box hold half liter of water and this pan hold 1 liter of water. Pour 3 liters of water into each of these containers. The water will take different shape in each container because each container is of a different shape, but the volume of water in each container is 3 liters. The amount of water that is needed to fill any container such as a pot, a bucket, a drum or a pan is called the capacity of the container. How many liters of water you use for the following purposes in your house? For bathing, approximately 20 liters of water is used for bathing. For mopping the floors, at least 10 liters of water is used for mopping the floor. For cooking, approximately 9 liters of water is used for cooking. For washing kitchen utensils, about 20 to 25 liters of water is used for washing kitchen utensils. For drinking. 15 liters of water is used for drinking by everybody in the house. For making 10 cups of tea, 1.5 liters water is used for making 10 cups of tea. For brushing teeth, 1 liter of water is used for brushing teeth. Watering the garden, 30 liters of water is used approximately for watering the garden. Washing vehicles, 25 liters water is used for washing vehicles.